Surprisingly, Apple have done so many changes, like after 5 freaking years, we are seeing a new design language and some awesome new changes.
Actually, Maui, shapeshifter, demigod of the wind and sea, hero of men.
So here are top 10 features of the iPhone 14 series. The first one is satellite connectivity. This means you guys can still access internet or network when in places with no tower or cellular network at all. So for example, you went for hiking, that too in a dense forest, and you want to communicate with your family or send in SOS, you still can with the iPhone 14 series. The second one is no notch display. So the notch is gone and the iPhone 14 Pro/Max will have a long white pill hole. That pill hole contains selfie shooter and Face ID. So Apple is still keeping the Face ID for a secure face unlock mechanism. This takes us to the third part, which is Apple redesigning the interface to make use of that pill and no notch area. So in between selfie shooter and Face ID, we'll have cam and mic live indicators for privacy. Yes, Apple is also changing the user interface, like some controls of camera on top near that pill hole. Yeah, they may also show some more content in the status bar too. The fourth change is Apple shrinking the bezels, so it is gonna be an all display experience, and they have also done some changes in the rear camera module, like the radius of that module matches that of frame, which looks more symmetrical. The iOS 16 on the iPhone 14 not only changes the overall UI with home screen and lock screen customization option, but also is bringing always on display support with widget option. So the 14 Pro will set the variable refresh rate to 1 Hz in always on display to save battery and show some basic information. The iPhone 14 Pro and Max will have a 48 megapixel shooter which can take some high definition images in day and night lighting condition. The best part is the iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Plus, which is coming with a notch display and similar specs like the iPhone 13, will have 6 gigs of RAM, and yes, the Plus variant got a large 6.7-inch display size. So a large display which is gonna cost less. The iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max with pill hole displays coming with LPDDR5 RAM and very powerful A16 Bionic Silicon. The A16 will be powerful, power efficient and have better heat dissipation. The best part is all these devices are coming in some new colors like purple, dark blue and likely green finish. Yes, all of them will have a stronger MagSafe magnet with slight small batteries than last year. Finally, the iPhone 14 may start at $799 or $749, the iPhone 14 Plus at $899, the iPhone 14 Pro may start at $1099 and the Pro Max at $1199, which is quite expensive. Yeah, I know the changes are not that radical, but this is what it is. This is the iPhone 14 which is gonna sell like hotcakes. That's all guys, thanks so much for watching. Comment down your thoughts and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Like, subscribe and peace out.